Hello, Amara Wanyoma. Amara Wanyoma. Okay? Amara Wanyoma means her name is Amarachi, but you say Amara Wanyoma. Wanyoma means a good woman. Okay? So that's how you're going to talk to your girlfriend when you call her over the phone and you're speaking Igbo. Okay? You know there are Igbos that people speak and it repulses people, especially it repulses women. There's those annoying. Anyway, it's just a different dialect, probably. Anyway, whatever. So this is how you go. Hey, Amara Wanyoma. Amara good woman. Amara good woman. People that usually Amarachi, if you're their boyfriend, you don't usually call them their Amarachi. Because Amarachi is what their parents call them, and you're on the phone and you're calling them Amarachi. You kind of sound like you're their parents. So we cut the short form and call Amara, which is more. But let's continue. Amara Wanyoma keduka imere. Amara Wanyoma keduka imere. Okay? Amara, a good woman, how are you doing? Amara, good woman, how are you doing? And she will respond, hey, Ike, Ademoma, keduka imere taa. Your name is Ike, shut up. Ike, one name more. Of course, she's not gonna say one name because one name means this thing means my brother. If she says you're her brother, that means you have been friend zone. I'm sorry, that's not my fault. But anyway, your girlfriend will respond in Igbo. Ike, hello team, and Nwokoma. Nwokoma means a good man. Okay, so if she replies Ike Nwokoma, because you called her a good woman, so in return, if she knows Igbo, she'll reply like that. Let's say it. Ike Nwokoma, hello team, and Ike. Good man, how are you doing? So you said Amara Wanyoma, hello team again, and she said I can come, hello team again. Sometimes they do that instead of kind of Amara Wanyoma, hello team again. They will just kind of reply with a question, or sometimes it will be like Ademoma, I'm good. I can come, hello taking one mekoren. Ike, good man, how are you doing yourself? Okay, so you will reply. Ademoma, hey, otele mkpoberegi, otele mkporogi, otele mkpoberegi means it's been a long time since I have called you. Otele mkporogi, it has been a long time since I called you. Or you can say, it has been a long time since I heard your voice, if you want to say that. Otele mnorolugi, otele mnorolugi, wanyoma. You can say, add wanyoma to every end of the sentence to make it sound sweet. Otele mnorolugi, wanyoma. It has been a long time since I've heard your voice. Good woman. And she will say, me myself, it has been a long time I've been wanting to hear your voice. It has been a long time that I've been wanting to hear your voice. Me, myself. It has been a long time since I've been wanting to hear your voice. And then you will be, hey, anyway, whatever, that's it. That's just a simple one. If you want to go deeper into the conversation, okay, I'm gonna have a Facebook page set up because I want to teach you guys exactly what you want to learn. I don't want to waste time here, going back and front on things that are not really helping you out. I'm gonna have my Facebook page down below. This Facebook page is gonna be for Igbo Matrix, okay? Igbo Matrix. Go there, inbox me, post it on the page what you want to learn. Write everything out in English, what you want to say in English. If it's gonna be personal, something personal, inbox it to me. When you inbox it to me, I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna make it that it's not gonna be too personal. Of course, I'm just gonna put it in one of the lessons that I do